Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are going international. We are making dragon fruit smoothie. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. My aunt gifted me this dragon fruit to try out. She said she knew how much I love smoothies, so I'm not gonna lie, it's my first time trying out dragon fruit, though I have heard about it. So I had to research for the right recipe for this smoothie and I loved it. So we start off by cutting both ends of the fruit and then cut them into smaller cubes like so, and then you can use a spoon to scoop out the fruit as demonstrated here. Now that we have our fruits out, we are going to be using the following ingredients for our recipe today. As always, all ingredients used will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. So we start off by pouring in our dragon fruit. You can freeze it if you want, whether frozen or fresh, it works just fine. We added almond milk and lemon juice, and also some frozen mango and frozen banana, and we blended it. Smoothie is not difficult. Once we are done blending, we are done. But guys, it's the color for me. Like, have you seen the color? This color is so unique. I totally love it, and it's not just about how it looks, but it tasted really good. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to this channel, well, you're missing out too, because we share delicious homemade recipes, simple and easy, that you could try at home. So hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share with your friends and family, and do leave me a comment. I really love hearing from you guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.